Thanks for that, Faye. Let's in fact continue our focus with the consumer-oriented theme, and we have Ruchi Soya, which is into edible oil, and another consumer-oriented item. Dinesh Shara, MD of the company, joins us. The stock is reacting right now to trade 2.5% higher, but overall we are witnessing a surge in imports of the raw material into the country because the prices globally have fallen very sharply. Apart from that, not only that, Ruchi Soya as a company has also launched a new brand of edible oil. So Mr. Shara, tell us about this new brand which you have launched, and because of the sharp import surge and prices coming down, is it likely to improve your profitability?
Yeah, surely. We have just launched Mahakosh soybean oil. It's with a new healthy proposition of bringing health to India. It is modified with technology and it is enriched with its vitamins. It has nutrients of omega-3 and 6. So it's a great oil. And Madhuri Dixit is the brand ambassador. She ideally fits into the health proposition and for the brand proposition also. And with the prices of soybean oil coming down globally, and with the new crop, earlier the crop was looked at much lower, but now the rains had been good in past few weeks. So we are expecting a good bump, a nice crop, better than last year. With lower prices of soybean oil and other oils in the country, this brand will do tremendously good. We want to offer the best health proposition with a reasonable price to the Indian consumer.
Right, so Mr. Shara, give us a little bit sense, because the last time we were chatting, you were planning to raise your market share quite aggressively to about 25% in the next 3 years. What's the strategy that you have in mind?
See, what we are intending to do that this is Mahakosh brand, and we have Ruchi Gold, which is India's #1 brand in palm category. We have sunflower oil, which is relaunched as Sunrich in South India and East. So all these 4 brands, Nutrila, which is a premium brand, Sunrich, Ruchi Gold, and now Mahakosh. All the 4 brands will drive the branded segment. We are almost at 18% today. We want to go to 25% by 2017, within 3 years. And all these variants of this oil, which are being liked by the different regions in the country, will increase our market presence and will allow us to capture the goal.
Right. Mr. Shara, indicate to us how business is shaping up for the full year. What kind of margins are you targeting?
I think the company going forward has decided to more focus on the brands. The brands are able to give us a sustainable bottom line, and we are looking at to improve our margins substantially from the current levels, which are 1 to 2% to much higher than what we have today.
Shara, good chatting with you, and good luck with the new brand at Ruchi Soya. Stock holding up in trade as we speak. Quick break, or rather wrap it up here on this edition of Markets at Lunch. We'll be back with Riding the Bull.